Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, your trusted source for incisive stack analysis. I'm Mitchell, and today we're spotlighting Mawson Infrastructure Group, ticker MIGI, the innovative force in digital infrastructure for AI, high performance computing, and Bitcoin mining. Big momentum today. As of December 10th, MIGI shares are up 14% to $5.25, building on a volatile year amid crypto market swings and strategic pivots. This lift comes ahead of tomorrow's spotlight at the Emerging Growth Conference, where interim CEO Kalisti Saloom and CFO Bill Reagan will unveil growth plans in Bitcoin mining and AI infrastructure, a potential catalyst for expansion. Fresh off Q3 2025 earnings on November 14th, revenue climbed 7% year over year to 13.2 million, with gross profit surging to 8.6 million and a swing to zero point 0.3 million net income, signaling operational resilience despite October's softer 3.3 million monthly revenue. The November 1 for 20 reverse split helped secure NASDAQ compliance through December, while a key lease extension in Pennsylvania locks in capacity through 2030, and a new GPU pilot bolsters AI diversification. With Bitcoin's rally in play, MIGI's undervalued setup offers upside, but brace for mining sector volatility and debt watch. Analysts eye measured optimism. What's your MIGI play? Comment below, like if this sparked ideas, and subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for your daily edge. Trade wisely. See you next time. Guys, links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my channel today. See you in the next one.